Okay, the microphone wasn't working, so you probably didn't hear that we got short on a break. Looking for a retest of the, there's a 38% retracement coming into play, and we're going to look for a bunch of shorts. If we can get a line drawn, 38% retracement coming into play, and I'm probably going to add my indicator I showed you last time, my oscillator, stochastics oscillator. We'll go ahead and add that in there, and hopefully we can do this rather quickly before it gets turned down. And okay, looks like we so this was the trend line that was broken initially when price coming back up. I'd like to see it test the 118.21 area. Stochastics is opening and pointing up. This is the euro. This is a 1 minute chart of the euro. And I'm looking for a test of the breakout point. 50% retracement is at 118.21. Currently trading at 118.19. A little bit of a break. We're coming a little short. I'm going to actually get in there. Not so large. Hurry, Greg. Hurry. Okay. We got a break. So we should be able to limit out on these trades. Didn't quite get to the trend line. 38% retracement on 18.19. Already have so we lost 2.8 on our first trade, and then we went ahead and just hit it repeatedly, and we're up 11,791. Looking for a price to maybe even go down to the 118, the figure, the 00 area. Later on in the day, we have the FOMC minutes. That will be released at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, and that would basically tell us what the Central Bank of the United States, and the FOMC, they'll tell us what they were thinking and how they came up with their view on inflation, how they, the decision-making process, or the minutes of meeting, see what they discussed. And so we will be able to see in those minutes, and sometimes prices don't move too much ahead of the minutes. So we're getting that test, that 118.21 again, and I'll probably add another position short. And I'm looking for a move down. And about 6 positions on. Now price is firmly testing this. I'm bringing this down a little bit. Firmly touching this trend line here. 50% retracement. So we return to the scene of the crime. pushing even a little bit higher. Okay, 61% retracement is also a level of resistance, 118.23. We can add a little there as well. Resistance, there's some of the Fibonacci's of last were the 786 and the 88.6, and they are located at 118.26 and 118.28 respectively. Our trend line was broken, so we looked for another trend line that we could draw from the swing lows across the bottom, and then we had some accelerated move to the upside here. So we got another trend line that we draw, and then this one here we broke, and we actually tested the backside of this trend line. Almost, not quite. 786, 118.23. We're at 22 by 118.22, 118.21, and we just might get they're in there. And we should see a collapse in price and a return back to this, at least the 118.13 area. So usually price, when it makes a first move, it pulls back to one of these fib areas. Sometimes the 38% retracement turns price around, sometimes it's the 50, sometimes it's the 618. Sometimes it can even go as high as the 100. And when you have 100% pullback, that's equivalent to a double top, right? Roughly equally matched, 44% of client accounts with open positions in this symbol or they're betting on it to fall, while 56% of client accounts with open positions in this symbol expect prices to rise. And so we have losers must pay winners, and there are far more people long than short. And it's not a dramatic amount, 56-44, it's almost 50-50. That may be a little greedy, and since we made $11,000 already, just a few minutes of trading, and so again, looking for prices to come back down, retest the low. Even the broker platform has a target down there as well. I don't normally follow those targets. And they're fairly distracting. In fact, I can turn them off in fact. Go here, right click, go to options and turn off target. There we go. They're about 50-50 as far as being correct. Oh, right, you have targets built in your platform. I was like, yeah. From the broker, right? Exactly what I want to listen to. Those signals are free for a reason. You can see prices kind of lost. We're at 118.21. gets lost among our trend lines. Our stochastics is crossing over. Let me neaten up our stochastics with our gray lines, because the black lines can't see on the black background. And then I'll add my 50 line, which I like having. I usually make that red, and I make it dashed. Click OK. And so we can see that we came up on that 80% or the 80 line, which is, you know, we're overbought, and we love selling when prices are overbought in a downtrend, and especially if you have something that resembles a bear flag. And we're peaking on the other side of this trend line, so we didn't break any higher. We rejection from the 61% retracement, rejection of the 25 line, the banker's line, this gray line here. A little bit of a shove, a little bit of a push. Now, as long as price stays below the 118.23 area, we're constructively bearish, and really if it stays below 118.30. So we would, you know, if we got above 118.30, start getting 118.35, 118.40, then we are probably in trouble. But I had taken a look at the dollar index DXY, and the dollar index looked pretty bullish. Looked like it was going to go much higher. So I took a quick look over at the dollar index, and the euro is the anti-dollar, right? It's EUR/USD, so it's the anti-dollar. So I figure if the dollar is going up, then the euro must be going down. So it was pretty, well, that's simple. Those are one of the things that we teach in the course in our Big Traders University, the Pip N Run Forex Scalping Mentorship. Okay. Now you probably say, well, Greg, there's a big green candle here. You know, what are you talking about? Well, watch to see if we top out at 118.23. Let's say the bulls are trying to mount, they don't want it to go down, and they're mounting a rally. They're trying to mount a rally to try to break the hold of the bears and take prices higher. And I might say, look, if you want to do that, you want to take it back up there for me, you want to give me another chance to crush you, well then maybe I will. Let's see. We're testing this trend line here. We broke the bottom of it, and now we are coming up on a test. So a new high on low volume. I might just yeah, if they're gonna give it to me, then I'll take it from them. That's a nicer candle too. Let's see. Okay. So we have a wick at, and I'm going to draw a circle around so you can see where they've tried to push at that area, and trying hard. There's 21 seconds left in this candle. They're pushing again. Eight seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. New candle. Survey says it's red. So that was their big push. They pushed it. They tried to break the hold of the bears. The bears having a big bear hug. So now we have, in fact, kind of a double top. Failed to make a new high, failed to get above the trend line, and now we're in full reversal mode right now. Again, we're on a 1 minute chart, and so you'll start seeing some numbers turn green, more green, and a lot of the would-be bulls would start giving up, knowing that their cause to take out this old high have been squashed. Remember, the candlesticks are basically they show the warfare between bulls and bears, and that's what this is, an epic, never-ending battle. And on this battleground of the euro, the dollar is the bull, the euro is the bear, and bears are winning. The euro is getting weaker, the dollar is getting stronger. And you should kind of figure out, like, I'm narrating this, I place my trades, and I'm basically narrating everything that's happening here. I predicted that this was going to make a double top, and it did. I predicted the eventual fall, and it has. And so basically, it's like it's like having tomorrow's newspaper today. And it's a simple skill that can be learned by anyone willing to put the time in to learn it. So we have a little bit of a flash. There's a lot of big money behind these candles. And a lot of this big money, some of the big money doesn't even know how to trade it, which is really pretty interesting. So they try to throw their big contracts around but they don't understand the patterns and cycles which dominate price. And they probably saw a double bottom on an hour chart or something. Oh yeah, this is a double bottom, it's going to go much higher. And like, yeah, you don't understand. The FOMC is hawkish. They want the dollar to rise in order to dampen inflation, and the FOMC wants the dollar to be higher. So you're bullish, your double bottom on the euro is just not going to hold water. So we should start limiting out on some trades, and we should add some more money to the bank. Right now you can see where we're up. We're up at 11,791. And we'll start seeing this number start to increase. Notice prices moving down from those various Fibonacci's that have been up. So down from 61, down from the 50, down to 38, next down to 23.6. And it'll work its way down. Next, here we go. Next move, 24,872. So give me a thumbs up. Let me know how you like it. If this is something that you would like to learn how to do, and click the link below. Click the link, and if you're, this does require a substantial investment of time and finances for the training. Let's invest in your training. I just got back from orientation for my daughters, and there was a bill. It's just a tuition bill. You just don't learn anything for free. Everything costs that's worth anything, right? So 31,263. Retesting the low. Stochastics is down below 20. And we can probably even start lightening the load up too. You can start closing these out. $598 there. $520 there. Just harvesting. Big bearish candle there. And we're done. And we're done, guys. And I'm sure it may fall some more, but we're back at the old low. That's where we started. We retraced it, and we got back. Right. So you can take a look. All the green lines indicate where we entered trades and where we exited the trades. I go ahead and get rid of this. And we're breaking to a new low as well. But I think we did pretty good, right? We might have cut out some a little bit earlier, but so this is our take for today. So $37,788.10. Okay. So if you are interested and want to learn more, make sure you go over to EliteTradersUniversity.com. Go to our website. You can also obtain the My Market Heat Map. There's a special on there. Go to MyMarketHeatMap.com, and there are tools, heat maps. So we can even look at the Forex heat map and take a look at what's going on right now. Oh, no access. Don't you know who I am? I created you. Okay. No worries. Heat maps. Forex majors. And let's take a look. Euro. Pretty weak. And we picked the right one. The anti-dollar. So come over to EliteTradersUniversity.com. www.EliteTradersUniversity. We have a free income boost ebook. get the ebook. Send in your name and your email address. We won't spam you, and get a copy of this book. There's all kinds of good, useful information, tips, discounts on different services, and detailed explanation of how the foreign exchange market works. So again, get your free income boost ebook at EliteTradersUniversity.com/income boost ebook. And you can also sign up for a free masterclass, 4 Pillars for 6 Figures. And you can click the button and watch the on-demand webinar. You can watch it anytime you want. It's not you don't have to worry about scheduling anything. It's not some type of fake auto webinar. It's just a video you can watch at your leisure as often as you want. And if the ideas and concepts presented in the video make sense to you, and it makes sense for us to work with each other, then go ahead and click the link and book a time to speak with our team. And if we feel that we can help you and we're a good fit, then we'll invite you to become part of our program. Now, there is a investment. It's not a free opportunity, but we only want people that we can help. If we can't help you, we're definitely not going to pitch you if we can't help you. But if we feel that we can help you. Learn Forex scalping, the method of being able to extract money out of the market, like I just did, that you just saw. Then you want to go ahead and register for a time. You enter your date that you want to meet, and you can talk to one of our members of our team, and we'll ask you some questions about your trading, and then talk to you about the concepts we use, and then see where we go from there. And if it makes sense for us to work with each other, we'll definitely love to have you aboard. Hey, my name is Greg McLeod. I want to thank you so much for being part and watching this video. Make sure you thumbs up, like, subscribe, and also share. There may be someone that you know who trades Forex that needs this information, that needs to know that they too can beat the markets if they have the right training and resources. Again, my name is Greg McLeod. Thanks so much for joining, and we'll talk to you soon. Happy pipping. Cheers. Bye.
If you felt a spark here and want to see how these principles can be used in your own trading, go to www.EliteTradersUniversity.com/apply to book a free session with our team. We have helped hundreds of people remove the frustration and obstacles in trading to become consistent, highly profitable traders. These are proven principles that just work. Happy pipping!